Alright, so this is my YGO Duel app. It initially started off as just a dice simulator where it just rolled the dice and animated dice and showed you, the randomized result. But then I added a coin toss feature and a calculator feature, and then it became a dueling app where you have all three useful features that you'll need for playing Yu-Gi-Oh. As you can see, this is what it looks like. You see I have the buttons that you can roll. The dice is within this picture box, which is inside another picture box, and this moves around within that to display the dice. The coin, two images, heads and tails. You push the flip button, and it will randomize between heads and tails until it reaches a random result, heads or tails. And then you have the calculator, Yu-Gi-Oh calculator. You can add, subtract life points, multiply your life points, or divide your life points in half. You can use presets in case somebody attacks you with a 3000. You could just click 3000 and subtract, and there you go. You lost 3000 life points. If I'm right, this doesn't have sound, but I do have a version that does have sound. The code. Show you a little bit of the code very quick. Hopefully this hurries up and shows it. My computer's a little sluggish. Alright, here's most of the coding. Yeah, there is some sound effects for the calculator. Here's the dice roll code for randomization. Here's the 6 images of the 6 sides of the dice. This is so you can roll the dice, move the picture around. This is the movement code for for animating the dice, so the dice moves within within the picture box of might as well show you. This picture box here is within another picture box, so that way the dice moves around within this image, the background image. That way it's not just moving around everywhere, it moves within that area. So that's what that code there's mainly for. Coding for the width and the size and dimensions of the picture, because it's going to rotate. That's part of what makes it animate, makes it look like it's rolling around. Here's the calculator code, how to add, subtract, all that, divide, all that good stuff. The numbers 400, 500, 600, 1000 damage, 2000, 3000, 8000, reset buttons, all that good stuff right there. Coin toss code to randomize the coin. Use relatively the same coding as the dice. Instead of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for example, for 6 sides I did 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. As you can see, 6 is heads, 7 is tails, 6, heads, tails, right? So that's the algorithm, and here's the code for the button to flip the coin. And that's the end of the video. Oh wait, might as well show you the app in effect. Might as well show you what it looks like when you use it. So once you press the play button, the green play button, to debug it, the app appears. It just made a sound, and then when you press the roll, you see, bang. Click again. See, 5. Roll again. 1. And you see I got a little image of Dark Magician for my custom dice. You can change the image if you want. I'm assuming that that's a 3 right there. Sometimes that happens, as you can see. It kind of looks like it's moving past the barrier. So it's pretty interesting. Boom, boom, boom. See, here's 3 again. Let's roll again, see what happens. I got a 2 this time. You get the idea. Here, you flip a coin, heads or tails. I got heads, click again. I got heads, flip again. Heads, flip again. Heads, flip again. I got heads again, flip again. And this time I got tails. Right. And then the calculator. Oh, somebody took me for 3,000. See how there's 3,000 there? Subtract that. I got 5,000. I can press reset to reset my life points. I can punch in damage in case I take 2750 damage instead. I can punch that in, subtract it. I can reset. Oh, let me gain 300 life points. Let me add it. You get the idea. And there's the end of the video.